Diversity in the living world.
Non-living plus living, various types of life form exist in different types of geographical area, plant, animal, fungi, bacteria. Biodiversity refers to the number and different types of organisms placing present on earth, 1.7 and 1.8 million species. Nomenclature, naming to the organism such that a particular organism is known as by the same name is known as taxonomic nomenclature.
ICBN.
International Code for Botanical Nomenclature.
ICZN.
International Code for Zoological Nomenclature.
Species.
A group of related species. A group of individual similar morphological characters that deals with morphological characters which able to breed among themselves, produce on their kind.
Taxonomy.
Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the process of placing organism into correct taxonomic categories.
Excellent. Step of taxonomy.
Step of taxonomic categories: characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature. Characterization: note down, recognize all of the features. Identification: done with the process of already specimen.
Classification:
placing of an organism into correct categories. Basis of classification. Characters. Basis of character.
टैक्सोनॉमी कैटेगरीज में किंगडम, फिल्म वगैरह बोलो.
Taxonomic categories: each study represent a rank or category called taxonomic category. Obligate 7 taxonomic category. Each represent a taxon, species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, division or kingdom.
Taxonomy hierarchy:
ascending order of species to kingdom form known as taxonomic hierarchy.
Taxonomy categories:
taxonomic categories: species, a group of individual similar morphological characters which able to breed among themselves and produce on their kind.
Genus,
a group of related species which resemble to one another. Certain correlated character. Monotypic genus has only one species, whereas polytypic on species.
Family,
it includes one or more related genera from other related families by certain differences.
Kingdom,
it includes all organisms set of distinguishing common characters. Aristotle system of classification: living organism, plant, animal, plant, herb, shrubs, trees. Animal based of habitat, based on blood. Habitat: terrestrial, aquatic, flying. और blood है enema with RBC, enema without RBC. In Linnaeus Timer, 2 kingdom system of classification.
ये 5 kingdom classification में proposed by
5 kingdom classification proposed by R.H. Whittaker 1969. Monera unicellular prokaryotic, Protista unicellular eukaryotic, fungi Animalia plantae eukaryotic, multicellular prokaryotic.
6 kingdom
kingdom Monera 2 types: Archaebacteria, primitive bacteria, eubacteria, true bacteria. 3 domain system of classification proposed by Carl Woese 1919. First domain Archaebacteria, second domain bacteria, eubacteria, third domain eukarya, Protista, fungi, Animalia plantae.
Kingdom Monera
Kingdom Monera includes prokaryotic, unicellular prokaryotic organisms, cell wall present, made up of peptide glycan, genetic material naked, DNA not covered by nucleus nucleoid, membrane bound or organelles absent, ribosome 70s present, reproduction asexual and sexual.
Different shapes of bacteria.
Koki, circular shape, bacilli, spirilla vibri.
Autotrophic bacteria.
Autotrophic bacteria photosynthesis, utilize light energy photosynthesis to make, example nostoc anabin. Chemosynthesis, utilize chemical energy to make food, example है nitrosomonas nitrobutter.
Heterotrophic bacteria.
Heterotrophic bacteria saprophyte, dead and decaying matter, parasitic, depend on other living organisms, symbiotic, associated with other living organisms, whereas both benefit each other.
Archaebacteria.
Archaebacteria, cell wall structure, live in mostly extreme condition, halophiles, salty areas, Serma acidophiles, hot springs, methanogas, marshy area.
Eubacteria.
Eubacteria, true bacteria, cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, habitat mostly aquatic, flagella absent, exists in form unicellular, filamentous, colonial. Some cyanobacteria are capable atmospheric nitrogen fixation, nostoc anabin azolla.
Economic importance of the bacteria.
Economic importance of bacteria: chemosynthetic bacteria, autotrophic bacteria, recycling of nutrients, majority in heterotrophic bacteria, decompose, Cerateria, formation of curd, such as other uses, formation of curd, production of antibiotics, fixing nitrogen, fixing nitrogen in legume root.
Reproduction in bacteria.
Asexual reproduction, bacilli fusion, sexual reproduction, DNA transfer.
MashaAllah.
Mycoplasm, PPLD, smallest living cells, lack cell wall, can be survive without oxygen, can be cause disease of plants and animals.
Kingdom Protista.
All single cells prokaryotes are placing under Protista. These kingdoms is well not defined. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellate, photosynthetic, cymodes or protozoans, heterotrophic.
नशोनुमा.
वक्त के साथ जानदारों की बनावट और जिसामत में इजाफे को तनु कहते हैं.
एजिंग. बूढ़ा होना. रिप्रोडक्शन.
मुझे आपने टिक कराया तो याद करें.
हमले तौलिद का.
वो भी याद.
गैर जिनसी तौलिद.
जिसमें नर और मादा नहीं रहते, एक ही रहता. यूनिसेलुलर.
ठीक है. वेरी गुड, माशाल्लाह. अच्छा बोले. क्लैपिंग फॉर अस. नेक्स्ट.